In this session, let us learn about HTML plugins. XHTML plugins. Plugins are computer programs that extended the standard functionality of the browsers. Plugins were designed HTML plugins. Plugins are computer programs that extended the standard functionality of the browser. Plugins were designed to be used for many different purposes. To run Java applets, to run Microsoft ActiveX controls, to display flash movies, to display maps, to scan for viruses, to verify a bank ID. Warning: most browsers no longer support Java applets and plugins. ActiveX controls are no longer supported in any browsers. The support for Shockwave Flash has also been turned off in modern browsers. The object elements. The object element is supported by all browsers. The object element defines an embedded object with an HTML document. It was designed to embed plugins like Java applets, PDF readers, and Flash players in web pages, but can also be used to include HTML in HTML. Here is the code and result. For writing and executing this code, we will get result like this. The snippet HTML or image if you like. See, you can also insert image like this. See, object data, image slash field pro.jpg object. See, by writing and executing this code, we will get result like this. The embed element. The embed element is supported in all major browsers. The embed element also defines an embed object with an HTML document. Web browsers have supported the embed element for a long time. However, it has not been a part of the HTML specification before HTML5. Here the code and result. See, by writing and executing this code, we will get result like this. Note that the embedded element does not have a closing tag. It cannot contain alternative text. The embedded element can also be used to include HTML in HTML. See, there is no closing tag here. See here, by writing and executing this code, we will get result like this. HTML sim a.html. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 65 plugins. In next video, let us learn about another topic, YouTube. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.